Hurricane Laura struck Louisiana on August 27th as a Category 4. Lives taken, homes destroyed.
Our house is halfway destroyed, and we're running out of everything over here.
It was the strong winds and storm surge to blame for most of the community's damage. Let's take a look at how organizations and the community has come together in an effort to supply resources and to rebuild. ServPro out of Ohio brought their disaster recovery team to help residents of Louisiana. Suncoast Resources provided fuel to communities. Student athletes from Louisiana State University raised funds to those affected. Currently in Louisiana and in nearby areas affected by Hurricane Laura, there is a great need for volunteers. There are resources in the description box below on ways that you can make a difference. This is Tonia Michele with Construction Business TV.